Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to request a refund on Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Okay, so to request a refund for your Evernote subscription, you just have to follow these simple steps based on your original purchase method. All right. So they're like purchases via the Apple App Store if you're using the iOS. And of course, they're also the purchases via the Google Play Store. So in my case, I'm using an Android. So from here, if you're using an Android, hover to your upper left corner on the home page right here. There should be an option that says more settings at the very bottom. If you click that, all right, you will be forwarded to your account summary. All right, so in my case, you will notice that you have the subscription that you have. We have a separate video on how to cancel a subscription. All right, so there are three subscriptions here. The one is the Evernote free, which I am using. You see that the account level is Evernote free. The second subscription is going to be the Evernote personal. And of course, the Evernote professional comes at a different price. For example, you have canceled any of your subscription. All right, hover back again to the upper left corner and click on the help section. Why? Because you might want to click submit a support request right here. And that is related to the accounts and subscriptions right here. You will be forwarded to a new page. All right. You see this? Hover down below, accounts and subscriptions right here. Account type. For example, you choose the account type that you have. For example, is it going to be personal, professional, or the plus premium plans? All right. Now select a topic, which is going to be I'd like to request a refund. All right. And how did you pay? So did you pay using the Evernote website, using your credit card or your PayPal, iTunes, or Google Play? So it's up to you. In my case, for example, I have used the PayPal. Click the last payment date. For example, I have paid that on January 3rd. The latest invoice, you might want to put in an invoice. For example, it was like DL69. And the amount paid, for example, that's going to be like $69. Email address. All right, so I'm going to put in my email address here, which is all right. And then the last thing is, are you going to downgrade? No, we're requesting a refund instead. If you wanted to downgrade, click on this section right here. But here, I'd like a request for refund. For a refund. All right. Put in your all the information here. You can also submit an attachment like the screenshot for supplemental information. All right. So for example, how to request refund, and then add a file right here, and then click on submit. All right. And when you click on submit, give them like few business days, and one of the customer support staff will ask more information to verify your account, and they will give you troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem if in case you're encountering issues with requesting refunds. But of course, most of the time, if you fall to the terms and conditions, you would definitely get a refund here. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.